We better go. You okay? Huh? Sleepy?
Don't laugh at her. Don't laugh at her.
I'm not sleeping. Oh, I'm not sleeping. I'm not laughing at her. Good morning, guys. Welcome back
To our channel.
Today is yeah, that's right. That's right. Today is Wednesday and it's currently 11 in the morning. So nasa labas kami ngayon. It's a beautiful day. As you can see, sobrang blue ng ating sky. We are going to Ate Paris' school kasi this morning ay meron na silang orientation. As we all know, Ate Paris is going to prep next year. And yung class nila ay magsa-start ng January. So, today is going to be the orientation. Kaya, we are going sa... Unfortunately, Daddy is working today. So, hindi makakasama si Daddy Mike. Kami lang tatlo. And I'm going to show you... Pagkita ko muna sa inyo yung outfit ni Mommy first. And then, sa mga kiddos. This is Mommy's outfit. Super Pink. Come here. So, nag-dress lang ako guys ng very colorful for summer. And, look si Lane in the background. Ay, naka-yellow din siya. Yan, so yun lang ating outfit. And also, ang aking buhok. Ay, wala na akong ginawa sa aking buhok kasi, alam niyo naman, Mommy, pag na-supply na, okay na. Minsan nga hindi na nakakapag-supply. Here, ate! Ate, come here! I'll show you Ate Paris' outfit. You are going to love her outfit today. Ate Paris! Mukhang kagalang-galang. Here, stand here, be. I'll show Tita and Tito your outfit. Come here. Ling! Mukhang mainit lang ang ano guys, pero hindi talaga siya mainit. Malamig ang hangin. That's Ate Paris' outfit. Because it's too bright there now.
It's not.
It is. Baby, model your on be outfit, be. Oh, back. Pose.
I can also do this.
Oh, Josh!
I can also do this.
Oh, show me na be how you pose ba? Be? Wow! Model na model. Manang dating na nga Ate Paris.
This is how I model my walking.
Yeah, be? Oh, Josh! I say hi sa here, oh.
I can try to do it.
Hi, come here. Say good morning sa... That's Celine's outfit for today. Tingnan niyo. Hello! Super cute mo na ng baby namin. Here, do you wanna say hi? There. Hi guys! Ay, very dark. Here. This way. Yeah. Say, hi guys! Hello!
Wait, come here.
Yeah. Is Ate Paris hiding? No, she's doing peekaboo with you, nak. Boo! Boo! Don't put that in your mouth, baby. Give it to Mama, baby. Very cute mo na. Nakaset mo ng ating baby girl, eh. Pagdating namin dito sa baba, ay naging energetic. Tingnan nyo. Hinihintay pa namin yung sasakyan. Sobrang init sa loob. Oh, you okay? Boo! Boo! Boo!
Mommy, you know what? I forgot to spell my name now.
Really? That's not nice.
I can only spell it
Oh, careful.
P-A-R-B-A-A.
Yeah, okay, sweetie, go. Silly.
Why did you?
Alright, come on, let's go in the car now. Lini! We're here now. Ang dami ko na nakitang parents and kids there, oh. Medyo malayo-layo yung parking namin kasi dito lang kami nakakita ng mapaparkingan. Ito siya ay very sleepy. Hello, Ate Paris. Are you excited? You're going to see your classmates.
Classmates?
Yeah, your soon-to-be classmates.
Why?
Yeah, they'll be there for the orientation too. Lini, girl! Tingnan niyo ang kanyang mukha. Hindi pa naaalis. Ayaw kong ipersa ba kasi baka masaktan siya. Hayaan na lang. Every time I-wash ko siya, mawawala yan. Nakno! Lini! She's very sleepy now. I better go. You okay? Huh? Sleepy?
Don't laugh at her. don't laugh at her.
I'm not sleeping. I'm not sleeping. I'm not laughing at her.
Where?
Yan, nakalabas na. Hello, my big girl. Ayun na talagang magpaano, guys. Don't talk to me. She's very sleepy. It's good. I hope she falls asleep soon. Kasi, para mag-focus tayo sa orientation. So, ayan. Nila niyo. May mga moms, dads na doon. Oh. I wish Daddy Mike was here, but it's all good. Sobrang cute talaga ng outfit ni baby. Hindi na pala baby to eh. Going to school na next year. Look, you're going to big school next year. Can you believe that? Yeah? Oh my god. Come on, let's go. You might see some of your kindy classmates here. Because some of them are coming to this school.
Can we check our swimming school first?
That's for later. Oh, actually later din guys. Mamayang hapon for punta din kami dyan. So marami kaming ganap today.
Later?
Yeah, because at the parents swimming pool. Excited yan. Tara kami dyan. Hi, come back! So sa Ate Paris guys ay pumasok sa kanilang classroom kasama yung mga classmates niya. And alam niyo ba, sobrang iyak ni Mami. My goodness. Hindi ako makapaniwala guys. Si Lady Girl! Hey! Hey, give Ate Paris the cuddle! Cuddle! Oh, is this what you make?
And this is
A few moments later.
Nakatapos lang ng orientation. Straight away, pumunta kami dito sa cafe. What are you having, Paris? What are you having ba? What are you having na?
I'm drinking ice chocolate.
Ice chocolate, yeah. So magla-lunch muna kami dito guys. It's now, anong oras ba? Ayan, 12:52 ng hapon.
52. That's a very long time.
Yeah.
52.
And I think baby's still sleeping. If not, she will be sleeping very, very soon because she's so tired. Can you tell me about the orientation? What did you do inside the classroom?
I read stories like, do you know what was the story?
What was the story?
The Very Grumpy Bear.
Oh, really?
Maybe we had that book.
Yeah, I think we do.
Remember when we went to Kmart when it was my birthday, when it was gonna be, when we got the miracle book?
Yeah.
Maybe we got it there.
Maybe.
Maybe we have to check if we have it.
Yeah.
Let's check.
Thank you.
I love your dress, by the
Oh,
way.
thanks a lot. Thanks very much. You're actually the second person to say that today.
Mommy,
Nakakatuwa
the cheese,
kasi
Mommy, the
pangalawa na
cheese
yan siya
croissant looks flat.
I know. That is yours.
Why is it flat?
Because they put it in the toaster. So it'll be warmer for you. You can have it now. Wait. Oh, yeah.
I'm testing it if it's hot or cold.
Okay, use your hand then.
I'm
Alam niyo ba, pangalawa na yun siya nagsabi guys na sobrang ganda ng damit ko today. O, di ba bongga?
It's very jiggly and then a little bit hot on me.
Is it? Just wait for a little bit then.
Okay. Again, I'm doing.
And here's Mama's food. So, ito ang ating avocado toast. It looks so cool. Tingnan niyo naman ang
What
presentation.
is the pink one on the plate?
I'm not too sure, anak. I think one. Okay, one
Maybe
more,
they
one more.
mashed one of those. Something.
Maybe. I think yours is cool now, okay? You can have that one now. Ang ating baby sila yun, na nakakain. She was very, very tired. Huh? We gotta eat now.
Silly, I wanted to.
Kain tayo, guys. Sobrang sarap dito. Alam nyo ba, natutuwa ako today kasi nga, dalawang tao talaga yung nagsabi na sobrang love daw nila yung dress ko kung saan ko daw nabili. Yung first, yung babae doon sa school, sabi niya sa akin na I look great daw. Sabi niya, your dress is really nice. Saan ko daw nabili? Nakalimutan ko na kung saan ko ito nabili, guys. Sabi ko, tingnan mo na lang sa tag. Tinignan niya talaga ang tag, guys, kasi gusto niya sigurong bumili nito. Ayan. I really love this one naman talaga. Oh, sobrang cute ng kulay ba? Very summery. Tapos yung pangalawa, yung babae dito nga na nag-serve. Sabi niya, sobrang ganda raw ng dress ko. Ano ba? Ganda. Yummy. Tapos, sa school kanina, everyone showered us with compliments. Kasi, nakita nila yung outfit ni Ate Paris, and they saw baby Celine. Nakita nila si Paris, and sila like, oh, it's so cool daw. Sobrang ganda daw ng outfit, ito ganyan. Tapos, may isa lumapit sa akin, sabi niya, you dress your kids very well. At yun yung, ang tawag dito, like, I'm proud of that, guys, kasi alam niyo naman kung nanonood, nagsubaybay kayo sa channel natin. Even before, kahit si Paris pa yung anak ko, I really love dressing them up. And it just gives me joy, alam niyo yun, kasi I love dressing up myself. Yun nga lang, at the moment, kasi nanay na ako, mahirap, it's very tricky to parang dress up na, you know, having 2 kids, but I still try very hard na, you know, when I go out, na I look good. Kahit na hindi tayo makasupply or whatever. And yeah, it just makes me so happy. Nasisiyahan talaga ako, guys. Kapag nasabihan ako ng gano'n, little things na sinasabi ng tao sa'yo, talagang nakaka-epekto ng mood mo. So after here, we might go to the shops.
Swimming school?
Yeah, and the swimming school is not until 4:20 in the afternoon, so we still have time na. Oh, actually,
But you said,
come here, babe. Come here, babe. This way. This way. Come on, kasi hindi to siya kakain kasi pag hindi ko to eat. Of course. Ate Paris, come this way. Oh, we have to tell Tita and Tito what happened this morning too. The boxes.
the boxes
Yeah.
went away.
Yeah, the boxes went away. So, pinick up na yung dalawang boxes
It's
natin.
coming to your house.
To your house. Whose house? Whose house?
Lula Vilma's house.
Lula Vilma's house. That's right, yeah. So, na-pick up na yung dalawang box kanina. And, I'm not too sure kung kailan yung darating, guys. But, sabi ko kay Kuya, as long as darating na ang safe,
That's my name.
I've got no issue. Kasi yung laman ng box, kahit na hindi dumating na nandun kami sa January, okay lang. Basta safe lang yung box na. Kasi wala naman talaga akong pinasok doon na kailangan namin pag dating namin doon. It's more on like the family, you know what I mean? Like chocolates, food, clothes, yung mga ganun. So, this is my first time magpadala ng box from Brisbane.
There we go.
So, we'll see how, ano lang, pag-ilupad
I
na.
can get that.
This way, use this way. Oh, it's okay. This way.
This is from Paris.
So, we'll see how long it will take from here. And also, yung bayad pala from Brisbane to Mindanao, $135 per box.
Mommy,
So, it's not bad.
can I please have a back tissue?
This one. What are you doing with the shoe? Just
Hey, give
show
me.
show Tita and Tito how you bite it like a tiger. Big mouth, wala. Is that the tiger?
Oh yeah.
Tiger's big bite. Okay. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, yum, yum. Anyways, balik tayo sa school kanina na Paris was very excited. Like, she just left me, guys. Pag tinawag na yung mga kids, let's go to the classroom. Paris was like, in her head, bye, mom. Pero ako, si mami niyo, guys, sobrang iyak ko. Bakit? Tumulo ng aking luha, pati sipon, guys. Hindi ako makapaniwala ka. We're going to big school next year na.
I know. You told me now. Before.
I can't believe it. You're such a big girl now.
To go by myself.
And it's good kasi sa school, who did you see at school?
Appa,
Who else?
Georgina, and Finley.
I know.
That was funny.
Yeah.
Is that all your friends are coming?
Hannah. You didn't see Hannah? No, Hannah was there as well. So, ilan-ilan sa mga classmate natin para sa hindi pupunta sa the same school. Dito kasi sa Australia guys, ewan ko kung ano ba? Diba sa Pilipinas, kahit saang school ka naman pwedeng makapasok. Dito kasi by zone. Kung saan ka nakatira, doon ka sa school na malapit sa'yo pupunta. So, hindi ka ano like this, no? Parang hindi ka makakapunta, hindi ka makaka-enroll sa
And I
school
got a
kung hindi
card
ka
for
pasok sa
you.
zone.
Here's a card for you.
God.
You can open it like this. And the wrap is like a wrap. Like
Kayo
this.
yung mga best friend natin, Paris.
That's nothing.
Unfortunately, hindi pupunta sa same school kasi yung bahay nila is medyo malayo. So, sa ibang school siya pupunta. Irene na is going somewhere else.
Aww.
I know.
Can I visit her?
You can visit.
But,
No problem.
but only when I'm 5 old.
How old you gonna be next year? Yeah. Big bite.
I
from
mean
Tiger.
1.
One? Are you gonna be 1 next year? That's
Yeah.
interesting.
I'm joking.
A few moments later.
Hello.
Oh, sorry, anak. Kakagising. This way na. Kagising lang ang ating baby girl. Umuwi kami muna dito sa bahay. Kasi maaga pa. Langling, langling. Ayo, bayo, bada.
You just need to change things.
Oh, it's still 3:30. Yeah, I'll change your nappy now so we can go to your swimming lesson. It's okay, my love. It's okay. Ayun, nak. Ayun, nak. Mama will... Nak, she can drink from here directly. We're here. Park lang namin, guys. Ala! Back na naman sa prom ang ating baby girl. Uy! What are you eating, te?
Huh?
So, dito tayo sa swimming class ni Ate Paris. So, it's 4 o'clock and it starts at 4:20. So, we still have time para mag-change. Prom for more. We're here now, guys. Sa swimming school ni Ate Paris. Ayan, nakabihis na siya, oh. Are you ready, Ate?
Yeah.
Show me your beer, swimming gear. What would you like? Yun na, yun na. Yun na. Ano. Where's Ate Paris? Oh, catch Ate Paris. Catch Ate Paris, quick. Nak, don't be too fast, nak. Hindi ko makapasin mo. Ano natin, tuyok. Ano.
This is fun.
Oh, what happened? You okay?
I sick from spinning around. Paris.
Ayan guys, natapos rin. Anong oras na? It's 9 o'clock na, ha? The whole gang is here. So, nagpatulong ako kay Daddy Mike nito. Yung push both sides para mag-close ito ng bonggang-bongga. So, ayan na. So, both of these boxes will be picked up tomorrow. Pagkain natin, Paris. Ayan ang ating Snow White ay anong oras? Ang Snow White niyo.
What's that cloud?
Pagod na yarn.
Oh yeah, I'm wearing it.
Pagod na siya, guys. Pagod na kaya hindi na niya alam kung saan ang kanyang crown. Suot-suot niya. Paano na? Tingnan niyo, Ate Paris yung nagsulat niyan, oh. I love you all. See you all soon. Turn the light off now. Oh. Hala. Ay, ayan pala. Ayan. Have a look. It's as big as you. Hmm? Nakabihis na tita and tito. She is now ready for bed. Aren't you? Good night. Good night, long lang. Flying kiss na lang, tita. Flying kiss, tita. And tito. Here. Mwah.
Ma.
Oh, kiss na lang ang bear, di ay? Hmm? Kiss the bear? Oh. Love, love the bear? Love, love? Shush. Kiss na lang, kiss the bear. Kiss the bear. Mwah. Mwah. Good night, Lily. Good night, Lily. Yes?
I don't.
What happened? What happened to your bear? Yeah? Do you love your bear? You giving your bear cuddle? Cuddle? Ah. Say good night, everyone. Ang ate ay nasa labas pa. Ito yung papatulog ko na kanina. Anong oras na eh? Say, good night, bye! Okay, say bye-bye. Okay, say bye! Bye! Ay, na, say bye-bye. Bye! Uy, bye-bye pa.